Today's word is all about going down, but depends on what. Let's see. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have aşağı düşmek. Aşağı düşmek. Aşağı düşmek is fall down, to decrease, or to descend. Let's take a look at some phrases and then sentences to understand what does that mean, how to use it best. All right? Phrases first. Birden aşağı düşmek, to drop suddenly or take a sudden dip. That goes to anything. Prices, market prices, or just a thing literally falls down, that works. To decrease, drop sharply. For this one, you can say keskin aşağı düşmek. Keskin is sharply. Now, it can also be used to literally say to go downstairs. Pilekenlerle aşağı düşmek. Pileken is the stairs, but we'll discover it more in the coming sentence. Let's see what that is. Now, zeng çalan kimi hamı pilekenlerden or pilekenlerle aşağı düşmek için tələsdi. Ama dar dəhlizdə sıxlıq yarandığına görə bir-birinə yol verməli oldular. Let's see the translation and then break down. As soon as the bell rang, everyone rushed to get downstairs. But because a crowd formed in the narrow corridor, they had to make way for each other. Zeng çalan kimi? As soon as the bell rang. Zeng is the bell, çalmak to ring, çalan kimi as soon as it rang. Now, the suffix an and then kimi, whatever you added into x alan kimi or lan an kimi depends on if your word will end with vowel or consonant. This one will mean as soon as X happens. In this case, zeng çalan kimi, as soon as the bell rang. Hamı, everyone. Now, let's break this word down. So technically, pille is the step, pilleken is the stairs, pilekenlerden from the stairs, pilekenlerle with the stairs. Now, based on my experience, pilekenlerden is going to be used the most. But either way is correct because technically you descend from the stairs, you go down from the stairs, or you use the stairs to go down with the stairs. So both cases are fine, but you will see pilekenlerden most. And as you notice, there is double L, but when you speak it, one of them will drop. Pilekenlerden, pilekenlerle, pilekenlerden. Aşağı düşmek için, to go downstairs, to get downstairs. Tələsdi, hurried, rushed. Tələsmek, to hurry, to rush. Tələsdi, past tense. Ama, but, there is this word dəhlizdə, you see. This is the official word for corridor, but we also use koridor. It's a loan word from Russian. You will see that one, I would say, more than this one, because that's in written language, you will see dehliz. Otherwise, you will hear it, a lot of people saying koridor. Now, dar dəhlizdə, in the narrow corridor. Sıxlıq yarandığına görə, because the crowd formed. Yaranmaq, to be created, to be formed. Sıxlıq is the crowd, something tight. Bir-birinə, to each other, for each other, yol verməli oldular. Yol vermək, to make way. Oldular, they had to. Now, zeng çalan kimi, as soon as the bell rang, hamı piləkenlərdən aşağı düşmək üçün tələsdi. Everyone rushed to get downstairs. Amma, but, dar dəhlizdə, in the narrow corridor, sıxlıq yarandığına görə, because a crowd was formed, bir-birinə yol verməli oldular. They had to make way for each other. So in this case, aşağı düşmək is literally to go down the stairs. That's the use case. Let's see another sentence. Son aylarda kirayə qiymətlərinin aşağı düşmək ehtimalı artdığı üçün mənzil sahibi yaxın həftələrdə bazarı bir qədər də izləməyi məsləhət gördü. Now, I own purpose read this slower. It's technically not like that. Technically you would hear something like this. Son aylarda kirayə qiymətlərinin aşağı düşmək ehtimalı artdığı üçün mənzil sahibi yaxın həftələrdə bazarı bir qədər də izləməyi məsləhət gördü. Right? But first, let's see the translation. Because the likelihood of rental prices going down has increased in recent months, the landlord advised watching the market a little longer in the coming weeks. The reality is the opposite, but that's just a hope. Now, translation. Son aylarda, in the last or in the recent month, son is last, but in the meaning, when you put it into sentence, it means recent month. Ay is a month, aylar months, aylarda in the months. Son aylarda, in recent month, kiraya qiymətlərinin, kiraya is rent, rental, qiymət price, qiymətlər prices, qiymətlərinin of the prices. Now, kiraya qiymətlərinin aşağı düşmək ehtimalı artdığı üçün, ehtimal likelihood, artdığı üçün, because increased, to increase artmaq. Kiraya qiymətlərinin aşağı düşmək ehtimalı artdığı üçün, the likelihood of rental prices going down has increased because of that. Mənzil sahibi, the landlord. In this case, mənzil is apartment, sahib is the owner, but you can also hear ev sahibi. Ev is a house or home, sahib again, owner. Both cases, it directs hints to landlord. Yaxın həftələrdə, in the coming weeks, bazar is market, both financial, non-financial. Bir qədər də, a little longer, izləməyi məsləhət gördü, advised watching. Məsləhət görmək, to advise. İzləmək, technically, the literal translation is to track, but in here, you watch the market. Now, that was my way of using aşağı düşmək. In this case, we are talking about price drop. But I also have a dad joke use. Let's see. My motivation chose to aşağı düşmək 5 minutes into the meeting. All right. If you are interested in learning Azerbaijani, different aspects of it, history of it, masterofazerbaijani.com is there for you. If you are interested in learning the language itself in a much more structured way, like starting from the alphabet and going up, Master Azerbaijani app is for you there. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.